Welcome to our project presentation. The topic we chose was the pH level of water sources and how it is measured. And our research question was, how does the source of water, such as potable water, tap water, or natural collected water, affects its pH? Well, our hypothesis was that the pH depends on the source because natural water tends to have a lower pH than the others due to organic acids. Potable water typically ranges between 6.5 and 7.5 of pH as it is meant for us to drink it, and tap water is usually more alkaline due to chemical treatments. In our experiment, the independent variable was the water source, including samples that we took from different places like tap water, potable water, and acidic solution. And here the dependent variable was the pH level, which we measured using indicator strips. This project helped us understand how the pH level of water varies with its source and what implication this has for our consumption and our safety.
Let's talk about variable identification. Firstly, we have the independent variable. It is calculated and manipulated by testing water from different sources, such as the school drinkers, the tap water, also water that is chemically treated, and also the potable water that we found in all places. Also, second, we have the dependent variable, the observed change in the pH level of the water. This variable depends on the source of the water and will show us how acidity and alkalinity varies based on the water's origin and potential contamination and properties.
The result of our experiment is that we chose 6 different containers. The first one was a jug that is always drinkable water and its pH is 6 that is neutral. Then the check drinker that surprisingly is slightly acid. It's not drinkable at all, but it's not dangerous for the humans with a pH level of 5. Then an acidic solution that was lemonade with some strawberries is always acidic with a pH level of 3. And 3 different tap waters, one from a house, one from Life, and one from Agua Azul. And the pH level is almost the same. Alkaline water, and is 8, 9, and 8. Now, going on answering the research question, that is, how does the source of water affect its pH, and what are the implications for consumptions and others? The source of water affects pH by making it drinkable, acidic, or alkaline. Alkaline making it from tap water, neutral for drinking, and acidic for chemics sometimes. And the hypothesis is not rejected at all because it's almost true. The only thing that we can change is that the acidic solutions not always are going to be from organic sources. It sometimes could be from chemical compounds or from mixed compounds, from some natural compounds like lemon and water.
During the procedure of the experiment itself, we did not find any serious errors. However, we were able to find out that taking the pH with the paper strips, despite being a good way to measure the pH. Principally because it distorts the true result, but is close to reality. As I mentioned before, it did not affect us that much on the hypothesis part, but rather it affected us in the aspect of truthfulness. Finally, if we were to do it again, we will change the way of measuring the pH for a more realistic one, and also we will change the places from where we took the water to be more different each other to see a greater difference in pH levels. Thanks.